Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on your iPhone. Now what you have to do first is swipe down from the top to go to the control center of your iPhone and then locate this icon, which is a QR code scanner icon. Once you find it, just tap on it and then you can just scan any Wi-Fi network QR code as you like, and then just tap on join and your phone will join that network. Now if you cannot find this icon in the control center, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to put it there. So what you have to do now is just go to your settings app and then go to control center. From here, scroll down a bit and then find code scanner. Once you find it, tap on this plus icon and that will put it right on top under included controls. Now you can just move it around by tapping here to anywhere you like, and then if we go to our control center, you can see now we have the icon in here. If I move it all the way down, now the QR code scanner icon is here. And that is how you can scan any Wi-Fi QR code on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.